Hi guys, Chad here at Mercedes-Benz of Knoxville. I'm from the parts department. I'm here to show you an accessory that will make your winter mornings a lot easier. This is our Sprinter windshield cover. Comes in nice, compact, easy to store bag. So let's take it out and show you guys what we got. So we're gonna open up the bag. And once we get her open, we're gonna pull out the cover. And then we're gonna lay it out. The holes right here are going to go around the mirrors. The corner with the pocket are gonna go around the door corners, and it makes it easy to install by yourself. And once you got it on, take the velcro, and then this thing is here to stay. All right guys, so this accessory is gonna save us a lot of time on those cold winter mornings. There's not gonna be any defrosting or any scraping of ice. We're just gonna take it off, put it into drive, and we're good to go.